Friends, here is a question. 500 persons are taking deep into the cuboidal pond, which is 80 meter long and 50 meter broad. What is the rise of water level in the pond if the average displacement of the water by person is 0.04 cubic meter? Friends, 500 persons take a deep into a cuboidal pond whose length is given as 80 meter and the breadth is given as 50 meter, and we have to find the rise in the water level in the pond if the average displacement per person is 0.04 cubic meter. So first we will assume that let h be the rise in the water level in the pond, and therefore first we will find the volume of water that is displaced by 500 persons. If each person displaces 0.04 cubic meter, then the 500 persons will displace the water, that is 500 into 0.04, and that is equal to 20 cubic meter. And so the 20 cubic meter of water gets displaced because of the 500% take a deep into the cuboidal pond. But the volume of displaced water displaced, that can also be calculated as length into breadth into height. Height is what? That is the rise in the water level in the pond when 500 people take the deep into the water. So which is equal to length is what? It is 80 meter into breadth is what? It is 50 meter into h. Then the water displaced and this water displaced both should be equal, and therefore from 1 and 2 we can write that 80 into 50 into h, that is equal to 20. And therefore 21s are 20, 24s are 80. So this will be 50 into 4, 200. So h is equal to 1 upon 200 meter. If you have to find it in centimeter, multiply by 100. So h is equal to 1 upon 200 multiplied by 100. So it will be 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 means 0.5 centimeter. And therefore the rise of water level in the pond will be 0.5 centimeter. The question is 16 glass spheres, each of radius 2 centimeter, are packed into a cuboidal box of internal dimensions 16 centimeter by 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter, and then the box is filled with water. Find the volume of water filled in the box. Friends, in a box, cuboidal box, whose dimensions are 16 centimeter by 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter, in this box 16 glass spheres are placed whose radius is 2 centimeter. And whatever be the remaining portion, in that remaining portion is filled with the water, and we have to find the volume of the water. So here volume of the water, that can be calculated as volume of water, that is equal to volume of cuboidal box, volume of box minus 16 into volume of a sphere. 16 into volume of sphere, because from the volume of box, if we take out the volume of the 16 spheres, then we will get the remaining portion which is filled with the water. So which is equal to volume of box, that is calculated as length into breadth into height minus 16 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. And so which is equal to length is 16 centimeter into breadth is 8 centimeter into height is also 8 centimeter minus 16 into 4/3 into 22/7 into r cube. Radius of the sphere is given as 2, so 2 cube will be 8. Now here we can take out 16 into 8 as a common factor, so 16 into 8, inside the bracket it will be 8 minus 22. 16 and 8 will be a common factor, so 22 into 4, that will be 88, upon 3 into 7, that will be 21, close the bracket. So which is equal to 16 8s are 128 into bracket 21 8s are, that will be 168 minus 88 upon 21. So which is equal to 128 multiplied by 168 minus 88, that will be 80/21. And if you solve this further, you will get it as 487.6 square centimeter, cubic centimeter. So 487.6 cubic centimeter of the water will be filled in the remaining portion of the cuboidal box. The question is that a rectangular sheet of paper 20 centimeter long and 12 centimeter wide, a cylinder is formed by rolling a paper along its length. Find the volume of the water. A rectangular sheet whose length is 22 centimeter and the width is 12 centimeter is rolled along the length to form the cylinder, and we have to find the volume of that cylinder. Since this rectangular sheet is rolled along this length, then the circumference will be 22 centimeter and height will be 12 centimeter. So what we get, height, that is equal to 12 centimeter, and the circumference of that cylinder, that is equal to 22 centimeter. And to find the volume of that cylinder, the formula is that pi r square h. So we will require h, we have got h, but we will require r, and r is not given to us, but the circumference is given, and so from the circumference we can find the radius, and therefore 2 pi r, that is equal to 22. So it will be 2 into 22/7 into r, which is equal to 22. So this 22 will get cancelled, and r is equal to 7/2. So we have got the radius of the base of the cylinder at 7/2 centimeter. And now we will find the volume of the cylinder, and therefore volume of cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. So it will be 22/7 into r is 7/2 into 7/2 multiplied by h. H is what? It is 12. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 11s are 22, 2 6s are 12, and so it is 11 into 7 into 6, that will be equal to 462 cubic centimeter, and therefore the volume of the cylinder, that is equal to 462 cubic centimeter. Friends, here is a question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter and the radius of the base is 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. Friends, here an wooden article is made by scooping out the two hemisphere from each end. इन दोनों एंड से दो हेमिस्फीयर हमने निकाले, और जो आर्टिकल बना है वो फिगर में बताया है उस प्रकार से है. और जिसकी हाइट जो है, हाइट दी है 20 सेंटीमीटर and the radius is given as 3.5 centimeter. The height of the cylinder or that article is 20 centimeter and the radius is 3.5 centimeter, and we have to find the total surface area of the article. इस article का हमें total surface area find करना है. तो दोस्तों, the total surface area will be what? The curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of this hemisphere plus curved surface area of this hemisphere. It means twice the curved surface area of the hemisphere plus curved surface of cylinder, that will give the total surface area. So the total surface area, that is equal to twice into curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder. So which is equal to twice curved surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 into 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. So here we can take out 2 pi r as a common factor. 2 pi r को हम common factor निकाल लेंगे तो ब्रैकेट में रहेगा 2r plus h, 2r plus h. अब हम जो r और h की और pi की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, सो 2 into 22/7, pi is 22/7 into r, that is 3.5 into bracket, here it is 2r, that is 2 multiplied by 3.5 plus h is what? Height is 20 centimeter. Close the bracket. So which is equal to, this is 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, so it will be 0.5. So 22 into 2 will be 44, 44 into 0.5 multiplied by, this will be 3.5 into 2 will be 7, and 7 plus 20 will be 27. 3.5 into 2 ये 7 हो जाएगा plus 20, that will be 27. So which is equal to, if you multiply this, you will get it as 594 square centimeter, and therefore the required total surface area of the article is 594 square centimeter. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.